Welcome to the next level of easy creamy fudge. We're excited to introduce our revolutionary new fudge mix, made with our new proprietary silk sugar. Thanks to an investment of over $3 million in state-of-the-art equipment, we are now producing in-house an ultra-fine sugar crystal that delivers a smoother, creamier fudge with flavors that pop. You can feel the improved quality even while the mix is still inside the bag. Today, we'll walk you through how to make a full batch of plain fudge. Let's get started. If you're using a Savage Brothers kettle, turn the heat on. If you're using another kettle, set your temperature to high. Add 2 pounds of butter and 5 cups of water. In hot or humid conditions, reduce the water by 1/4 to 1/2 cup for the best consistency. Start the agitator and allow the butter to melt completely. For accuracy, track any adjustments on your waterlog sheet in the manual. Once melted, it's time to add the fudge mix. For best results, stop the agitator, pour in the first bag of plain fudge mix, then restart the agitator. Repeat this process until 5 bags have been added. Before adding the 6th bag, pour in both vanilla packets. Then, add the 6th bag using the same stop and start method. Set your timer for 38 minutes and allow the batch to cook. After about 10 minutes, stop the agitator. Break up any clumps and scrape the sides with a rubber spatula. Restart the agitator and continue cooking. When the timer ends, check the consistency. Your fudge should be smooth, pourable, and free of clumps. You will notice that it will be less viscous than you are used to. This is desirable as it makes the fudge easier to work with and will still set up perfectly. Once your 38 minutes are complete, you are ready to pour according to your slab recipe. And that's it, your batch is ready. Let the fudge set overnight in a cool, well-ventilated area. Avoid enclosed cabinets for best results. Be sure to log any water adjustments on your waterlog sheet. Thanks for choosing our new Silk Sugar Fudge Mix. Creamier, easier, and consistently delicious. Happy cooking.